Good day, everyone. Just a quick tip. The next time you have garlic in your pantry or you bought some, you notice the green tips on them, don't toss it out. Um, it might start like this, not looking very great, but next thing you know, you can have roots back here. So next time you will see it, you set it out, you see these beautiful roots on it, put it on the ground. This right here, if you can see, is a whole bucket of one head of garlic. I just stick each piece in the ground, and what we have is garlic that will be reproducing for a good amount of time, giving you more and more garlic. So trash become treasure.